Welcome to another episode of FM Corner. I'm Danny Koontz, Director of Relationship Management for WCE. Today, our topic is going to be 2 words that describe real service. Those 2 words, sincerity and integrity. I recently saw a quote from Donald A. Adams, and it read like this: "To give real service, you must add something which cannot be bought or measured with money, and that is sincerity and integrity." 2 very powerful words. To give real service is not about money, it's about sincerity and integrity. Let's talk first about sincerity. Sincerity is simply the attitude of simplicity, veracity, and openly being truthful and genuine. It fosters trust in the relationships you have, and people want to work with you because they believe you're a sincere person. They want to be part of your team. They want to work around you. You're open. You show honesty every time. That earns you the reputation of being trustworthy, and people want to be a part of that. The third is sincerity keeps a person focused on the goal, not the perks that come with the goal, but the goal itself, because they're sincere about wanting the right results at the end of what they're working on. You ever been around people that when they say something, your first instinct is to question whether it's sincere, or are they in a situation where they feel that's what they have to say? And you've kind of thought to yourself, I just don't know. Is that a sincere thought, or that's what needs to be said at the moment to get out of a particular jam? You don't want to be one of those people. You want to, when you say something, people know it's said with sincerity. You mean it. Otherwise, you wouldn't say it. That's what you want. That other top person has probably shown not to be truthful in the past, and you've remembered that, or they haven't been honest depending on the situation that they're in. They try to paint a story which you know is not true. There's no sincerity there. You will never trust that particular person 100%. You're always going to have a question in your mind. You don't want that. You want a relationship with a person that whatever they say, whether I agree with what they said or not, I know they're being real and they're being sincere in what they're saying. That I have no question about that. I trust exactly what they say. You're stuck in that because you don't know what to believe. You're just not sure. What am I supposed to think? That's not a good place to be. Second word is integrity. That's the quality of being honest. Having good moral principles and moral uprightness. There are 5 characteristics that people with integrity have. They're dependable. Whenever you need them, they're there. Whatever you need, they're going to do their best to provide to help. They're dependable for you. Loyalty. They're loyal to you. They're going to help in every way possible. Sometimes loyalty is they're going to tell you something that you maybe don't want to hear, but you might need to hear. That's a version of loyalty. They're going to be 100% honest, 100% transparent with you. Third is honest. They're an honest person. They do the right thing. Fourth, good judgment. You can go to them with a problem and they're going to assist you in helping you through it or handle it. They're going to make good judgment decisions and think about things and talk you through it to give you options and give you opportunity to make it better. So they're going to use good, sound judgment. And the 5th one, they're respected and they also give respect. Because respect's 2 ways. They're going to give it and they're going to expect it. Those are 5. Their behavior is echoed by their follow through on the commitments They do exactly what they say over and over again. If they can't do it, they don't say it. They follow through on commitments. The second, they're open and honest when communicating with others. Like I said, they may tell you something you don't want to hear, but you need to hear. And third, they hold themselves accountable and they own up to their shortcomings every time. They don't pass the blame. They take responsibility. They take ownership. One of the greatest compliments you can ever have is from someone saying you have integrity. It's not a gray area. You either have it or you don't. It's driven by your actions. Your actions decide whether you have integrity or not. You need both sincerity and integrity to deliver real service. It's not about money. It's about being honest, being trustworthy, having good character. Those are the things people remember. You want to use it in your job. You want to use it in your home life. You want to use it in all phases of life. Everything you do, sincerity and integrity, you won't be disappointed. That's our episode for today. Thank you as always for listening, where the advice is always free at FM Corner. See you next week.